Okay, so big news. I got in some new parts. I was hoping to work on the Mustang, but there's been a change of plans because my carpenter architect friend is coming over tomorrow, and we're gonna cut out these 3 poles. And 1, 2, 3. And then that way, this will be one large open space to work on the Model A. And that's been kind of a little bit of the holdup. This is some of the lumber we're going to use. And yeah, it should be pretty cool. I'm going to try and shoot some time lapses while we do it. Right now, I gotta take down all these lights and all the cords and everything and get ready for the construction tomorrow. Okay, so I got everything exposed so that we can put the beam up. So that means this has got to get out of here. Okay. Okay, got it under the roof. We're supposed to have snow for the next couple days. Got it up here next to the 66. And yeah, it's supposed to get kind of nasty out. So we're gonna do the construction real quick. Got it next to the Fox body. And yeah, construction.
like a lizard in a tin box. Sometimes it's just like being in a tin box, like a lizard in a tin box. Can't hold on to the shiny, slick sides. Can't get a grip or a hold on nowhere. Tall people about 8 or 9 feet like to hold my arms and run around with a white cross. You've seen the sort of injustices I've seen. Well, let's just put it this way. I respect the sounds of a lizard in a tin box. They're rattling around, trying to get our...
Okay, big day. The posts are gone. I got a fire going. Today I'm gonna have to clean up everything. All the heavy work is done. We got the big beam up there. The roof did not sag at all. And it looks beautiful. So I gotta finish cutting out these little stumps and getting all the garbage out of here, the trash, finish sealing it up and finishing it off, and we'll be done. So yeah, it'll be time to get a car back in here, get to work on it, and next video.
rattling around like in our compact car.